Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Did you know that you don't have to spend a fortune to make your home look and feel amazing? It's true. You can achieve a fresh, updated look without breaking the bank. We're gonna dive into some budget-friendly home upgrades that will have your house feeling like a brand new home in no time. Whether you're wanting to refresh a tired kitchen, create a cozy living room, or add a touch of luxury to your bathroom, it's all about working with what you've got and getting creative. But trust me, it doesn't have to be that way. I'm here to show you that you can achieve incredible transformations on a budget you can afford.
Let's start with the heart of the home, the kitchen. It's the place where we gather, cook, and create memories with our loved ones. Now, this is usually the most expensive room to renovate, but it doesn't have to be. With a little creativity and some smart choices, you can transform your kitchen without spending a fortune. One of my favorite ways to give a kitchen a fresh look is by simply painting the cabinets. It's a cost-effective way to make a big impact. It's amazing what a fresh coat of paint can do to brighten up the space. It can make your kitchen feel brand new. Think about it. If you've got older cabinets that look a little worn, a fresh coat of white or a pop of color can really modernize them without having to replace them entirely. It's a simple yet effective way to update your kitchen. While you're at it, think about switching out those old cabinet knobs and pulls. This small change can have a big impact. Hardware is like jewelry for your cabinets, and you'd be surprised at what a difference new hardware can make. It's an easy and affordable upgrade. You can find really affordable and stylish options at your local hardware store or online. There are so many designs to choose from, so you can find something that fits your style. Now, if you want to add a touch of wow factor to your kitchen, consider a backsplash. It's a great way to add some personality and flair. But don't worry, you don't have to spend a fortune on expensive tiles. There are plenty of budget-friendly options available. There are so many peel and stick backsplash options available these days that look incredibly realistic. They're easy to install and can be done in a weekend. A backsplash adds a touch of personality and can really tie the whole kitchen together. It's a small change that makes a big difference. So there you have it, some simple, budget-friendly ways to give your kitchen a fresh, updated look without breaking the bank. With a little effort and creativity, you can transform your kitchen into a space you'll love spending time in.
Now let's move on to the living room, the heart of your home where you gather with loved ones and create lasting memories. This is the space where laughter echoes, stories are shared, and comfort is found. Creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere in this space is key, and you can achieve that without spending a fortune. With a few thoughtful changes, you can make your living room a haven of warmth and relaxation. Let's start with the most budget-friendly idea in the book, rearranging furniture. This simple act can breathe new life into your space without costing a dime. It's amazing how simply changing the layout of your furniture can completely transform the look and feel of your living room. Experiment with different arrangements until you find one that maximizes both space and comfort. Next up, let's talk textiles. These are the unsung heroes of interior design. Throw pillows and blankets are your secret weapons when it comes to adding warmth, texture, and personality to your living room. They can instantly make a space feel more inviting and comfortable. And the best part? They're super affordable and easy to switch out seasonally for a whole new look. This means you can keep your living room feeling fresh and updated throughout the year. Head to your local home decor store or browse online for deals on throw pillows in different colors, patterns, and textures. Look for sales and discounts to get the best deals. Don't be afraid to mix and match to create a look that's uniquely you. Combining different styles can add depth and interest to your decor. Now, let's talk DIY decor. This is where your creativity can really shine and make your space truly personal. This is where your creativity can really shine. DIY projects not only save money, but also add a personal touch to your living room. One of my favorite DIY decor ideas is creating a gallery wall. It's a fantastic way to showcase your personality and style. Gather up your favorite family photos, prints, or even pieces of fabric and arrange them in a visually appealing way on your living room wall. This not only adds character, but also makes your space feel more like home. Remember, the key to creating a cozy and inviting living room on a budget is to focus on creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Small changes can make a big difference, so start with what you have and build from there.
Chapter 3. Bathroom Refreshes. Let's talk about the bathroom, a space where we start and end our days. One of the easiest and most impactful budget-friendly bathroom upgrades is replacing outdated fixtures. Think about it. Those old faucets, towel bars, and even the toilet paper holder might be bringing down the overall look of your bathroom. The good news is that you can find stylish and affordable replacements at your local hardware store or online. A sleek new faucet can instantly modernize your sink area, while new towel bars and robe hooks can add a touch of luxury and functionality. Now, let's talk storage. Bathrooms tend to be clutter magnets, but it doesn't have to be that way. Adding smart storage solutions can make your bathroom feel more organized and spacious. Think about installing floating shelves above the toilet or utilizing the space under your sink with baskets or organizers. Don't underestimate the power of accessories in your bathroom refresh. Fresh, fluffy towels, a new bath mat, and a stylish shower curtain can instantly elevate the look and feel of the space. Remember, even the smallest changes can make a big difference in your bathroom.
Chapter 4. Bedroom Bliss on a Budget. Let's move on to the bedroom, your sanctuary, your haven, the place where you recharge after a long day. It's essential to create a space that feels both restful and rejuvenating. Creating a peaceful and stylish bedroom doesn't require a complete overhaul or a bottomless budget. With a few thoughtful changes, you can achieve a stunning transformation. Let's start with the foundation of any cozy bedroom bedding. The right bedding can make all the difference in comfort and aesthetics. Swapping out your old bedding for fresh new sheets, a cozy comforter, and plush pillows can instantly transform the look and feel of your space. It's a simple change that can have a big impact. Don't be afraid to play with different colors and textures to create a look that reflects your personal style. Whether you prefer bold hues or soft pastels, there's a combination that will speak to you. For a touch of elegance, opt for crisp white linens and layer on textured throws and pillows. This classic look never goes out of style and adds a sense of luxury. If you prefer a more bohemian vibe, try mixing and matching patterns and colors for a collected look. This approach allows for creativity and a personalized touch. And don't forget about the power of a statement headboard. It can instantly elevate the look of your bed and add a touch of sophistication to your bedroom. Choose a design that complements your overall decor. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood in your bedroom. The right lighting can make your space feel warm and inviting. Instead of relying solely on overhead lighting, which can often feel harsh, incorporate lamps for a softer, more inviting ambiance. Consider using dimmable lights to adjust the brightness to your liking. Don't underestimate the power of a little organization. A clutter-free bedroom promotes a sense of calm and tranquility. Invest in storage solutions that keep your space tidy and serene. By focusing on simple upgrades like changing your bedding, adding wall art, incorporating lighting, and staying organized, you can transform your bedroom into a stylish and restful retreat. These small changes can make a big difference in how you feel in your space.
Chapter 5. The Ultimate Budget-Friendly Upgrade. Now for the most impactful and budget-friendly home upgrade of all decluttering and organizing. It might not sound as glamorous as a kitchen renovation or a bathroom makeover, but trust me, the transformative power of decluttering is unmatched. And the best part? It's absolutely free. Think about it. A clutter-free home instantly feels more spacious, inviting, and peaceful. Start by tackling one area at a time. Go through your closets, drawers, and shelves and get rid of anything that's broken, outdated, or no longer brings you joy. Once you've decluttered, it's time to organize. Invest in storage solutions that work for your space and your lifestyle. Use baskets, bins, drawer dividers, and shelf risers to maximize space and keep your belongings organized. Remember, decluttering and organizing is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process. The benefits of decluttering and organizing extend far beyond just a tidy home.
So, there you have it. Simple, budget-friendly home upgrades that can make a world of difference. Remember, creating a home you love doesn't require a complete renovation or a bottomless budget. Whether you're tackling a kitchen refresh, adding cozy touches to your living room, or creating a spa-like oasis in your bathroom, I hope these tips have inspired you to transform your house into a home you absolutely love. Until next time, happy upgrading.